Well, in this video, we'll go to a ridge that was calcite and tremolite. Collected some samples. Let's go have some fun and see what they look like when they're cleaned up.
Well, here's a tremolite occurrence. Someone with a sharp chisel, a hammer, and a strong back could take out some beautiful specimens from here. Well, there's tremolite in this rock. See that cluster right in there? More over here. There's a nice piece of bladed tremolite right there. More so down in here. That's quite a nice cluster. Oh, more in here. See all the tremolite down in here? That rock is all tremolite. Beautiful. There we go. See that? And there she is, washed off. A blade of tremolite, and you can see down in here the tremolite is clear. Very cool. Oh, look in here. See, that's tremolite. There's moss covering it, and it looks like that cluster and that cluster might just pop off. Might just peel off that rock face. Appears to be calcite in behind. Let's try that and then we'll move on. No. Leave that for somebody else. I'm just going to make a mess of it. So what we managed to get are some smaller blades. Good samples of what tremolite looks like. I like. You like? I like. Well, I'll try that one. I gotta move the camera. Okay, so we got that one out. I think it'll be a nice cluster. Put it in the bag, look at it at home. Well, here we go. Just rinsed off with water. What I want to find out is this green from moss? Or is it a green actinolite? Handsome specimen no matter what. Okay, so here's what I want to do. I don't think there's a lot of calcite in these rocks, but let's remove some if there is. Like that's probably calcite in there and down in there. Do it just expose more of the tremolite or actinolite? Stick it in the water and add a little bit of HCl or muriatic acid. There we go. There, it's bubbling. So that's removing the calcite that's in the rock. Hopefully it will also clean them a little bit, and we'll see what they look like as a specimen. So we'll get back to you in probably 20 minutes. Alright, it's been 20 minutes. You can see it's still working, so I'll let it keep going for a bit longer. The green is disappearing, so I would say this is Tremolite rather than actinolite. The green in actinolite is iron. Otherwise, like actinolite and Tremolite are very closely associated. It's Tremolite if it has more magnesium, and it is actinolite if it has more iron. They are both a form of anthrobol. They are also closely related to asbestos. So, anytime you're engaging with these things, you have to wash up. You can't breathe it, and you can't eat it, because it could be carcinogenic. Get back to you soon. And we're done. There's the large blade. Certainly that's Tremolite. There's the little blades. Classic Tremolite. And then lastly, the big boy. See all the massive blades in there? Going every which direction. These ones are running this way, these ones are running this way. I like. Well, thank you for watching. We'll do it again another time.